Hello, everyone. Welcome back to ITI Nini channel.
Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss an interesting problem related to the basic electrical. Let us understand it step by step. We have a problem given two wires of equal length and made up of the same material with the resistance of 25 ohm and 81 ohm respectively. What is the ratio of their diameters? If the length of the first wire is 50 cm and its resistivity is 1.72 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter, what is the diameter of the two wires? And these are the options. So, he has given a one material. Okay, the material resistivity is 1.72 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. Okay, this is a material. With the help of this material, he made a two wires, wire 1 and wire 2. Wire 1 having 25 ohm resistance, wire 2 having 81 ohm resistance. Our task is, we have to find what is the diameter of wire 1 and what is the diameter of wire 2. This is our task. To solve this problem, we are using the formula R equals to rho into L upon A. We know that cross-sectional area A is given by A equals to pi into D by 2 whole square, where D is the diameter of the wire. So, if I substitute this area into our original formula R equals to rho into L upon A, in place of A, I will keep pi into D by 2 whole square. So here, R is inversely proportional to the diameter of the wire. Okay, this is very important. Remember this point. I will use this point in next. So, R1 divided by R2 equals to D2 divided by D1 into whole square. I already told resistance is inversely proportional to the diameter. R1 resistance of R1 wire is inversely proportional to the diameter of wire 1 and resistance of R2 is inversely proportional to the diameter of R2. So, to find out the diameter of R1 and R2, we are using this formula. R1 divided by R2 equals to D2 divided by D1 into D1 whole square. Okay. Step 1. So, we know that R1 divided by R2 equals to D2 divided by D1 into whole square. We know the value. We know the value of R1 is 25 and we know the value of R2 is 81. Okay. We don't know the value of D2 and D1. So, I keep D2 divided by D1 as it is and this square root becomes come here. Okay. So, D2 divided by D1 equals to 5 divided by 9. Step 2. So, I am using the formula R1 equals to rho into L divided by pi into D1 divided by 2 whole square. This is the resistance of wire 1 formula. We know that the value of D1 equals to, if I take D1 outside, the formula becomes D1 equals to 2 into square root of rho into L divided by pi into R1. We know that resistance of R1 is 25 ohm and its resistivity is same for both wire and wire 2. Its resistivity is 1.72 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter and we also know that length of the wire. If we plugging in these values, we will get D1 equals to 0.02093 mm. Okay, we will get the value of D1. Next, what we will do, we know the ratio D2 divided by D1 equals to 5 by 9. Just we put the value of D1, we will get D2 equals to 0.01163 mm. So, therefore, answer is the diameter of wire 1 is 0.02093 mm. The diameter of wire 2 we will get 0.01163 mm. Okay, thanks for watching my YouTube channel.